Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 1st, 2022, and we are looking at our pomegranates to check the progress. Right now, there are a lot of flowers that are seeming to form on it. Now, we just took this inoculated compost material and put it all over. First, we removed a bunch of sand from the feeder roots of all these pomegranates, and then we put this material in here. You can check the top right at the end of the video for backstory on that. But this progress report is on the success or failure of that particular effort. Now, it's been raining a pretty decent amount lately, so that's been helping us out too. These guys seem to be coming back. I expected them to get somewhat of a shock from first exposing the feeder roots, but they really haven't taken too much of a beating in regard to any kind of shock. However, I see some of these plants are greening out real nicely, which is exactly what I was hoping to see. But also the flowers, that's a great sign as well. This guy here is a little bit laggard, but in due time I believe this one will come back pretty strong. If you look down here, this is a great indication as to whether or not this one's going to come back strong. These lower lying branches that are starting. Can't seem to get a good focus on that. But yeah, like here, that's a good sign there too. And if you look over here, we actually had one that was in extremely poor condition. I think that it completely died off. So we'll just take that out of there in a little while. These others over here are starting to show good signs of new life. If you look down in here, you see that there's good new life in there. This guy just always been doing good. I don't know why, but probably feeding off an old stump that's in the ground or something. This one is showing good signs of coming back. The one that's struggling the most is over here, but if you look at the top, very skimpy, not doing good. But the bottom has all this new growth. So that's a very good sign. This thing might just be trying to start over is what I'm thinking. They do that sometimes. Really weird. All the plants, sometimes the whole plant will die off and it'll just start new stuff from the bottom. Anyhow, folks, this is the beginning stage of the recovery process from, removing the dirt that was around their roots and then replacing it with healthy, inoculated soil or composting material. It was inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. So we'll watch this going forward, and together we'll figure out whether or not this was the right choice for these pomegranate plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a great day.